Hello, I'd like to share you just a quick tutorial on how to find the Panopto video library in terms of trying to find some demo videos on how to use Panopto. So unfortunately, this YouTube channel does not have Panopto Help videos, and that's primarily because a lot of our Panopto Help videos are hosted right inside Panopto. I'll show you where they're located. First, click on the Faculty menu when you're in Moodle. Then select Help Documents. Scroll down and select the WebEx, Panopto, and Camtasia tab. Here you'll see a bunch of demonstration videos, all concerning using Panopto. The first thing you'll want to do is add the Panopto block to your Moodle course. You'll need to provision the course, and then you can start using Panopto. Feel free to reference these videos as needed to get yourself started.